तो अच्छी बात है। जल्द से मैच जारी होगा। तो तमाशा ही आज देखने बहुत आए हैं।
उपतो जा कैच इज द कॉल। अब सही आयो सही आओ चलो उधर तो भाव आ रहा जा कम मामा ना अंदर लो ना।
और यहाँ पे टॉस होने वाला है। आज ये दोनों कैप्टन मौजूद यहाँ पे जरूर है सिद्धू भाई के सामने। यहाँ पे टॉस पे मांग की है भाई ने। You want the toss of the captain. You want the ball toss to the captain.
I can have a bad pass, so the pitch condition is right after that. The pitch is very good, batting pitch is here, so I will call the bad pass.
You want the good pressure the team and the point of the match, but I think it's very good in the contest on the batting form. So you are batting form?
Yeah, absolutely. The Harsha is played the last game, and also the team is played very good in the last match. So I can have a pass that the pitch is like that.
You are batting from the opening start. So you are not you the pressure.
No, the pressure is not. The last game is pressure on the second batting. This pitch is correctable. The second batting.
Yes, sir. Okay. You are the captain. You are pleased to come.